Okay, now this question is asking, ble es ti yn y gwyliau? Which means, where did you go in the holidays? And there's two ways of answering this question, all right? The first way will get you 1 point, and you can share maybe a place that you visited. You can answer this in English or in Welsh. So, for example, if you went to London, you can answer the question by just saying London, or yn Cymraeg, it's Llundain. Okay? Maybe you went to Cardiff. Yn Cymraeg, it's Caerdydd. So that would give you 1 point there. All right? And then for 2 points, we'll be putting it in a nice sentence. You could say, es I Caerdydd. I went to Cardiff. Or es I Llundain. I went to London. Okay? Pob lwc.